What's going on, guys? Welcome back to The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess in slow, comprehensible English. In this episode, we are going to head back to the light world, or our normal world, where we've always been. So let's go through the Twilight portal and teleport back to the main world. Let me adjust my microphone. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we are back in the desert because that is where the portal to get to the Twilight Realm was. This is where the mirror was. And okay, perfect. So what we want to do is we want to teleport to Hyrule Castle. So let's teleport, and we want to teleport right outside of Hyrule Castle because that is where Zant is hiding. So let's teleport. And now we are landing in Hyrule Castle, or excuse me, right outside of Hyrule Castle. Okay. So we are here. You can see we are a wolf. And what we want to do is turn from wolf to human. So let's cross this bridge. We want to head to Hyrule Castle, which is in the center of Castle Town. Let's enter the castle town. And one thing we also have to do is we have to switch our armor quickly. So let's open our inventory and put on green armor, or our regular armor. Very nice. Okay, so guys, we are here. We are at the end. We're heading to Hyrule Castle. We are at the very end of this game. Okay, so you can see Hyrule Castle is covered in twilight. It has a twilight barrier around it. And now Midna is going to pull out the pieces of her mask and put it on. You could see she's shaking, and she can't control the power. It's throwing her back and forth, but now something crazy is about to happen. You could see everything is shaking, and there's a big hand. You could see Midna has turned into a giant octopus monster. And she's going to jump onto the twilight barrier. And she's climbing up the wall. She's going to pull out a spear. And she's going to destroy the twilight barrier. Everything is shaking. And there's light beaming from out the prism. And just like that, the barrier is destroyed. And now we could enter Hyrule Castle. You can see Midna looks weak, and we are carrying her. It's raining in the background. And now we both look at Hyrule Castle. That is where Ganondorf is. He is inside of Hyrule Castle. And yep. Now we can enter. You can see there are two gates here, and we're going to open it. We're going to grab and push. And now we could go inside. Oh, almost. There's one more door. We are now going to grab the castle door, or the gate, and push. And we are now inside Hyrule Castle. You can see it's raining, and this is a long dungeon. It's very long, so we have to go through this entire castle, so it's quite big. You can see there's birds flying around, and we are in the front yard of the castle. Let's quickly look at the map. you could see there are 5 floors, but many of them are outside. We can't even go inside the castle yet. As you can see, the front door here is locked. So, this bird is attacking. Let's go to the right side first. There's 2 courtyards, technically 3, but we'll only worry about this one for now. This is the right side. And you can see a barrier of Twilight has appeared around us. Let's attack these monsters. So many. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Oh, they got back up. Let's make sure we kill them. The barrier won't go away until we kill it. Kill everything. So, now let's enter the courtyard. Oof, you could see it has been completely overrun by monsters. There's watchtowers that have goblins. There's monsters with swords. There's fences and barriers everywhere. And we just have to fight a lot, unfortunately. We're going to use our ball and chain to actually knock a lot of this stuff down. For example, we could use the ball and chain to knock down the... Nope, we cannot. I lied. But, so much is happening. So sorry. Hold on. So many monsters. Nice. Okay, we blocked the arrow, and now it's... Ow! There is so much here. Oh my goodness. Let's pull out our bow and arrow from the inventory. Let's quickly back up here. And what we want to do is aim and shoot. Oh, actually, better idea. Let's use our sniper. Remember, we did get a sniper. We could combine the bow with the sniper mask. And now we could see how we have like a scope. And we could zoom in by doing... how did we use this? We could zoom in. And we could aim... Ow! Nice. Zoom in, shoot. Zoom in, and shoot. It's like a sniper. It's very cool. Okay, so let's travel through here. There is a lot of rooms. This is very big. I don't believe we can... Oh, we can go this way. Ooh, you could see that there are some wild boars. And what we could do is we could... Oh, excuse me. We could get on the board and we could charge and destroy all the wood, all the barriers, all the towers. Oh, I'm so sorry. I accidentally hit the I accidentally hit a bomb. You can see that these crates are explosive. They have explosives in them. Let's charge up again and charge through and destroy all the wood. Keep breaking everything. Oh my goodness. We need to back up and now charge again. 3, 2, 1, charge, and just break through. Ow! Okay, so we're already where we need to be. Oof, there's a... I see. Okay, so there are some wind pillars here. And we could use the boomerang to spin those propellers, and spinning those propellers will open this door. But we have to follow a pattern. So let's equip our boomerang. And you could see on the floor there is there are some leaves covering some sort of something. We actually don't know what it is. So let's throw our boomerang, and you can see it's clearing the leaves. It's blowing the leaves away, and you can see it's telling us which way to draw. It's boom, boom, boom. Let's ignore Minda because I already figured it out. So if that's the pattern, we need to go... Where was it? It was top, down, left, down. Top, down, left, down. Okay. So that means it has to be... top. Wait. Top. Oh, no. Top, down, left. Ah. Top, down, left. Oh, I forgot. Oh, and then down again. I want it. Come on, really? I don't think I did that correctly. Almost. Okay, let's try again. Top, down, left, down. And that should do it. Top, down, left, down. No? Ah, top, down, left, down, but to the center. That's what it, okay. Close, we were close. Let's try again. Okay, top, down, left, and then at the center. Top, down, left, oh. Nope, backwards. Sorry. Top, down, left, and then center. I screwed up. Oh, one more time. Top, down, left, and then center. Top, down, left, center. What? Why? Am I missing something? I don't understand. Top, down, left, center. What is the problem? Let's talk to Midna. Let's see. Oh, okay. There's something over here. We'll worry about that later. I didn't realize that's where it was. Top, down, left, center. I don't understand why that didn't work. Am I standing in the right spot? Okay, let's try again. I'm getting a little mad. Top, down, left, center. And that should do it. Top, down, left, center. Did I not do that before? Whatever. Very weird. Anyway, you could see the door opened, and now we could grab this chest. And inside of the chest, there is a map. But you could also see there's a ladder here that we could climb. So let's climb this ladder and see what is at the top. At the top there is... What is up here? Let's explore up here a little bit. Maybe there is a chest? Oh, yes, there's a chest. And this chest will have a key in it. Nope, it had yellow rupees in it. Okay, so we're not done yet. That's okay. But, okay, so let's head over to that wall that Midna was talking to us about. Let's jump down. Let's turn from human to wolf and activate our senses. Should be a place we could dig to, right? Maybe here? Ah, there it is. Let's dig here. But guys, we will not explore this area until the next episode. Let's quickly dig up and I'll show you quickly what it looks like. You can see it looks very scary. It looks different. It's much darker back here. It looks like it's raining harder. There's mist, there's graves. It's very creepy. But guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and in the next episode, we will explore the graveyard. Thanks, guys.